Okay, so I know a couple people were asking me, how do I inject dye into the system to locate a leak? So pretty much what you need to do is you go and buy yourself one of these. They're called glow sticks right there. It is fluorescent dye, and you do need a UV or a black light to find it after it's ran its course through a few days. So you buy this, okay? There's different variants of this, but they're all like essentially little cartridges that look like this. Okay, so you then hook up your refrigerant, you hook it up to your gauges. From there it feeds in through the suction side. Hopefully you understand that, why that is, because it's always sucking really on the suction line. So we hook that up to, and it is directional, so it does have an arrow on here. It's a little hard to see because it's kind of, there it is, there's the arrow. So you put this on the back end, and then you put in either another hose or an adapter, and then that hose goes to your suction port. All right, and then you go ahead and start it up. I have my disconnect here. Let's go ahead and start it up. Oops. And then you go ahead and open this up, and you open your suction side a little bit to allow this to push in and enter the system. Okay, looks like all the liquid's out of there. You can't really see it, but add a little bit more here. Yeah, see there, you see some liquid refrigerant is entering the system. Right, good. We shut it off for a little bit, and it's all gone. So all that dye is now pretty much running inside of the system. So there are some that are a little bit neater than this one. They have the metal fitting, and I recommend those even better than this one, just they didn't have any in stock. But the ones with metal fittings, this entire little plastic container goes from being yellow to completely white when it's empty. Here you can kind of just see that it's empty, but it's hard to see on camera, but you can tell it's empty. All right, well, that's how you do that. And then you wait about a week, and then you come back out with a UV black light, and they sell those at the same places where you can get that that dye. I mean, they even sell them on Amazon. So this is the one I have. So that's how you check that. That's how you do that. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.